Johnny? No. I did not say the Pilgrims were turkeys. I said they ate turkeys. Yes, I know. You were just off by one word. Okay, you two, break it up. You were helping him study. With him upside down, I have but one rule. No karate before lunch. Diane, get away from that contraption. What is that contraption? It must be new. But what is it? I know, a TV. No, a typewriter TV. No, a TV typewriter. I wonder what it is.
Ask any kid. They'll tell you.
Oh, will you people be quiet, please? How did you get in here?
Well, I just drifted in. My name's Amy.
Oh, I'm Elmer. And you're a kid, so could you tell me what this thing is?
Sure, it's a computer.
A computer?
Actually, a microcomputer. Mr. Henderson's class will be using it.
Oh, I thought computers were just something that fouled up my bills.
Elmer, computers themselves don't foul up. They just do what they're told.
Oh, they do, huh? Roll over. Shake hands. Play dead. Well, 1 out of 3 is not bad.
No, what I meant was computers don't have ideas of their own. All they know is what we tell them. You talk to the computer by typing things on this keyboard. On the monitor, you can see what you've typed and see the computer's answer.
Hey, you must be one of those genius kids. A child tragedy.
A child prodigy? Not me. Kids all over the world are working with computers. It's just a part of what kids have to know these days.
Where are you going? That's a coat closet.
No, it's not. Come on.
Sure was yesterday. Where are we?
Butte, Montana, 4th Avenue School. Miss Hartley's class. They're using computers in their classwork. And you don't have to whisper. They can't see us or hear us.
They can't see us or hear us? How'd you do that? Hello! Hello!
Because if we go there, we'll get food.
Yes, sirree, ladies and gentlemen. This little honey of a machine will change your life. It'll wash your hair and iron your clothes and take your dog for a walk.
Elmer, it can't do those things.
Well, then, what can it do?
For one thing, it can teach. This social studies group is herding cattle through Texas.
Herding cattle?
They have to make decisions like food supply, the weather, and the best route to take, just like the early ranchers did.
So let's round them up and move them out.
Get along, little doggies. Rebecca's working on her creative writing using a program called the word processor.
But what about Miss Hartley and all the other teachers? Why, they'll be as long gone as the horse and buggy.
That's not true. In fact, the computer will help teachers by freeing them to do what they do best, helping students with their work and suggesting new things for them to try.
You mean with computers helping out, why, they'll have more time to spend with each kid.
That's right. In Miss Hartley's class, while kids are finding out about geography and math, they're also learning computer literacy.
Litter? Where?
No, not litter. Literacy. Computer literacy. It means knowing what computers can do, what they can't do, and how to use them. After all, it won't be long before working a computer will be as important a skill as using a telephone or driving a car. You know, computers aren't just used in schools.
Oh, yeah? Butte, Montana?
Kokomo, Indiana. The Martinez zone.
Boy, don't you get lost around here. Boy, now, this is more like it.
Home computers are good for playing games. But any kid will tell you they're good for a lot more than that.
Hey, Chris, can I use that for a second? I need some information on a paper I'm writing.
Okay, sure. Using a telephone device called a modem, Maria can hook into a data bank, which is a type of electronic library.
Thanks, Chris.
Chris is starting an electronic letter to a friend in Texas.
Electronic letter? What's he gonna use? Electric stabs?
No, Elmer. When he's finished, he'll send it over the telephone wires to a clearinghouse called an electronic bulletin board. Then, his friend in Texas can hook in by phone and read the letter through his computer.
Can you imagine that?
There are lots of other home uses for the computer, like family budgeting, keeping records of phone numbers and addresses, or even learning French in your spare time.
French?
That's not all. There are computers all around. For instance, in microwave ovens, clocks, and other appliances.
Boy, this is some family room.
No, Elmer. We're not in their house anymore. This is where Mrs. Martinez works.
Well, she sure doesn't have far to go to get to work.
Her office, like more and more these days, is using computer terminals for communication, billing, and filing. Even things like memos are done on computers, so workers are using less paper. Home sweet home.
Sometime you're gonna have to show me how you did that. You know, maybe I should give that computer another try. Hey, this is great. You know, for a kid, you know a lot of stuff.
Well, thank you, Elmer.
Oh, I didn't hear you come in.
Well, I didn't mean to disturb you while you're all alone at the computer.
All alone? You didn't see anyone else in here?
No.
But you can't go in there. That's Butte, Montana.
Well, yesterday it was a closet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I wonder if that thing hooks up to a broom.